video, we discuss about meaning and definitions and features of depreciation. In this section, students understand about the causes for depreciation. Causes for depreciation. These have been clearly split as part of the definition of depreciation in the accounting standard 6 and are being elaborated here. Wear and first one, wear and tear due to use or passage of time. Wear and tear means decline and the consequent diminution in an asset's value arising from its use in business operations for earning revenue. It reduces the asset technical capacities to serve the purpose for which it has been meant. The rate at which the such asset wear out is directly proportional to their use. Second point, expiration of legal rights. Certain categories of assets lose the value after the agreement governing their use in the business comes to an end after the expiry of a predetermined period. Example of such assets are patents, copyrights, lease, etc., whose utilities to business is extinguished issued immediately upon the removal of legal backing them. Uh, Another as a obsolescence. Obsolescence is another factor leading to depreciation and fixed assets. It means the fact of being out of date. Obsolescence implies to an existing asset becoming out of date an amount of availability an account of availability of better type of assets. It arises from factors such as technological changes. A second one is improvements in production methods. Third one is changes in market demand for the product or services output of the asset. Fourth one is legal or other description deception. Next one is the abnormal factors. The decline in the usefulness of the asset may be caused by abnormal factors such as accident due to fire, earthquake, floods, etc. Accidental loss is a permanent but not a continuing or a gradual.